Hey you guys, I'm so excited to be unboxing the Erin Condren Summer Seasonal Surprise Box. I know that these sold out so fast, but you'll be excited to hear that the majority of items, there are 9 items this time, the majority of them are actually just sneak peeks, meaning that they will go on sale on the Erin Condren website eventually, probably this summer. So it's not as many exclusive things, but there are a couple of exclusive things. I actually took the little card out of it just to go ahead and take a look at it, even though it's been sitting here for a day or so, because I really didn't have time to unbox it and I wanted to get my first impressions down for you. So I'm thrilled to be able to finally open it because it's been sitting in my office. So let's get started. First of all, the Erin Condren Seasonal Surprise Box is $40 shipped, and it comes with over $80 worth of stuff. So it's always a good value, and I always go ahead and order it. So far, looking at the things that are in it on the card, I'm really excited about it. So I hope they actually end up as nice as I think. Another cool thing is, you know, Erin Condren stuff always comes in pretty boxes, but the seasonal surprise box always comes with a quote. So this one says, "Something beautiful is on the horizon," and you can turn this box inside out and use it for years to come. So I have lots of my like old stationery and cards and index cards from my books and things like that stored in these boxes, and a lot of my stickers. So, and then they just look really nice up on the shelf. So another bonus is the actual shipping that comes in. So you can see I already kind of tore this apart and just took a little bit of a sneak peek, but I didn't actually undo anything. So here is how the box comes, and it actually had the card sitting on top. So a little message from Erin that says, "Something beautiful is on the horizon. Ready to reduce stress and embrace much needed joy this summer? We've curated this joyful, colorful collection of summer surprises to inspire and delight you. Tap into your creativity with this beautiful reversible box bursting with Erin's new crafting faves, stylish sneak peeks, and exclusives. I hope every layer of color across the journal, note cube, and stickers, every glimmer of light across the glitter planner sleeve and zipper pouch, and every spark of creativity in the fun crafting essentials bring you joy and inspiration. There's something beautiful on the horizon. I would love to hear from you and what you think about this box." I love that sentiment and wanted to read that to you because I think that them planning this to be something beautiful on the horizon, like we've all had kind of a rough start to 2020 and many of us could use a complete reset, to be honest. So the fact that this is a chance to be creative, to get excited, and to really think about what's in store for us in the future, I think is a message of hope. So thank you for that, Erin. So we'll turn to the note cube, which is something that Erin Condren did a little bit of a sneak peek on in her actual Instagram. So she has an Instagram, I am Erin Condren, so go follow her there. And she showed a little bit of a sneak peek, and it has the beautiful layers design in the colorful design on the sides. And this is not a sticky note as far as I understand. It's just a note cube. I saw some people saying they hoped it was sticky notes, but I'm pretty sure it's just a note cube. So I will open that in a minute because I know there's another sneak peek item that will actually open that, and that is pocket scissors. If you guys saw my little what's in my notebook or what's in my pencil case video that I did recently, you know that I have a version of little like pocket scissors, but this is actually bigger and a little bit easier to use, and it's almost the shape of a pen basically. This is really cool. I actually love the color of this as well. So it looks like a pen. It's a nice and heavy thing, but then when you pull it out, it's scissors. So you just do like this, and you can cut things. So I'm gonna see how well it'll cut open this little note cube here. So you've got just the little top card to pull that off. And yeah, it's not sticky notes. I didn't think it would be. I'm actually glad it's a note cube and not sticky notes. I have tons of sticky notes in lots of colors, but I don't have any just like plain note cube on my desk, and this is really pretty. So this is going straight to my desk. And then you have the little scissors, and they seem to be pretty good. Let's see if they'll cut into this pretty good. This is just like cardboard. Yeah, this is better quality scissors than the ones that I was using. So this is probably going to go in my pencil case to travel with me when I'm out riding, which is another one of those something on the horizon, hopefully it's coming soon kind of things. All right, so the next item in here is a dual tip highlighter duo, which is a new item. Let's see, turning this over. The Note Cube is a sneak peek, so this will go on sale. The scissors is a sneak peek, so this will be up on the website. The highlighter duo is also a sneak peek. So the sneak peeks are good since this sold out so fast. Let's just use the little Note Cube to say hello. So this is, obviously it's a highlighter, so it's not meant to be a pen, but a nice gray tone. So one is like a marker tip and the other one is just a plain highlighter tip. Pretty light color. I probably would use this in a book if I were using it. So let's see what this one is. So this is just like, so one was a light gray and this one is more of like a light blue or a darker gray, bluish gray, stormy gray. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Very neutral colors, and so many of the highlighters that I own are very like bright colors. I do have some mild liners, but even some of the mild liners are really dark. So this will be nice for some of my books. So I'll probably keep these by my bedside because when I'm reading nonfiction, like right now I'm reading Gabby Bernstein's Super Attractor, I like to highlight inside the book and I don't like to use really bright colors. So this nice light gray will be beautiful for that. Then we have another thing that will go great into my pencil case, which is some glue tape. So this is just some like roller adhesive tape with the Erin Condren asterisk on it, and it's really nice and small. I'm very excited about this. It goes very nicely, and it has kind of those little, rather than just being continuous tape, it kind of has little dots. So it's sort of like glue dots more so. Oh, so that came off pretty easily. Let's see if we can get that back on. So it just has this little like snappy thing here that you can cover the tape, and be careful if you get this because this came off pretty fast. It seems to be on there pretty good now, but it did come off. So it might come off in your bag, but this size is super small. I don't know how much this will be on their website, so hopefully it's not too expensive because it doesn't look like it's a ton of tape. But at the same time, this is such a great size to put in your bag or your like planning pack or your pencil case. And I love the asterisk. I'm hoping maybe when they come out with this, because this is also just a sneak peek, maybe it will come in multiple colors. I would love for them to do correction tape too. So Erin, if you're listening, let's get some correction tape too. That would be so cool to have a whole set of things that go into my bag. All right, so now we do come up on one of the two exclusive items in this box. So, three. So out of the 9 items, there are 3 things that are exclusive. So this is the first exclusive box item, which is a summer journal. So the summer journal is actually something that they included in last year's, but let's take a look at what's inside. So it says something beautiful is on the horizon with the layers design. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. And of course, all of their petite planners fit inside their on-the-go folios. So if you have one of the on-the-go folios, it'll fit perfectly in there, or you can just carry it by itself. And so you've got places to put maybe pictures and memories, and then you've got just lined and a blank page, and again and again. So you could maybe do like a collage of memories with some writing about what you did that week, another little spread with pictures or places. You could really put whatever you wanted. It's a very simple design. And then more pages. So, okay. So last year's summer petite journal, I didn't end up actually using, and I was thinking maybe I'll use it this summer instead, had a lot more prompts in it. So it was like what I did this week, summer fun that I plan to have, all my plans, you know, stuff like that. And I was thinking, gosh, if this one has that sort of stuff in it, it might not be as relevant because we can't necessarily go on a lot of vacations this summer or go to the beach or go camping like we normally would. But I love the very simple layout of this design because it's basically just boxes and circles with lines. So you can take family pictures here at the house and things you're doing in your local neighborhood or your local park or wherever you're able to go throughout the summer. And then there are just 4 of these pages where it's lines on one side and it's just blank on the other. So you could really make this however you want. And the good thing about it too is that while last year's journal was very summer specific, like they're calling this a summer memories journal, but this does not have to be used in the summer. Last year's kind of had to be used in the summer because of the types of prompts in it, but this one really could be used at any time. So yeah, this is a big win for me, and it is one of the exclusive items, but I'm excited about this one because you can kind of use it any way you want. It doesn't even have to be a memory journal. Okay, you guys, here is another one of the exclusives, is the sticker sheets. So usually when Erin Condren does petite planners or anything, they will do sticker sheets. So there's actually 2 and they're separate in plastic. So these are definitely summer stickers. So you've got like popsicles and a flamingo float, some sunglasses, love it, keep it up, sweet memories, and lots of sort of layers, but also maybe could be kind of pool themed ones, bright colors. They both have silver hollow foil on them and some ice cream cones. Yeah, these are super cute. And of course you could use these in this journal, but if you didn't want this to be a summer journal, you could use these in your regular planner. So these 2 sticker sheets are part of the exclusives for this summer box. And this packaged here in the next section is also the 3rd and final exclusive item, which is a sticker paper sticker book. And I saw the name of it, but I don't know still exactly what it is. So let's take a look. Okay, so I had something similar to this that I purchased from them a while back, years ago, that I have loved. It had more of their like floral designs and stuff. So basically what this is this is just a booklet that has a bunch of their layers colors sheets. And these are sticker paper. On the back side, they have dot grid so that if you want to cut it up, you can, like if you wanted to make a square so that you could fit it exactly into one of these boxes, for example, you could actually cut it straight and measure it out according to the graph paper on the back. So it has these sticker sheets in various colors. So you could make them kind of whatever you want. You could do them in strips, you could do them in circles or boxes, just kind of anything. And there's tons of colors in here. So that's pretty cool. This is super useful. And in the front, it says, from color coding systems to decorative detailing, we love seeing how you add glam while you plan. With our collection of designer sticker sheets, there are even more ways to cut, style, and sticker for days. Get creative and cut out shapes or use the grid included on the back of each sheet to cut straight lines. The possibilities are endless and the planning potential is unlimited. So this really, like, whereas these stickers are kind of already cut into the shape they're going to be, there's really, sky is the limit what you want to do with these, and this is the final exclusive item in this book. Okay, so when I saw this on the card, I was super excited about it, so I'm excited to take it out of here. So in the past, the only way that you could really house your petite planners is if you had one of the on-the-go folios like this, where you can put 4 in here, but they've never had, as far as I can remember, anything that you could just hold a single petite planner in until now. Da, 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 da. So this is a, let's see how they call it. It's called a clear glitter petite planner sleeve. So you can use this to hold your petite planner and you just slide it in. And then you just would slide the back in as well, and it becomes just a glitter sleeve. If you've been following all the planner stuff on YouTube and Instagram and everywhere else, you know that a lot of people have done this sort of glitter covers with the Hobonichi Weeks, and I've wanted to get my hands on some of that paper or vellum or acetate or whatever it is that people are using that's glittery, and I just never have because it's either too expensive or sold out. So this is a good way to get a hold of it, and this again is a sneak peek, so you will be able to buy this on the Erin Condren website, and I love it. So you can use this just as your holder for your single petite planner, but you could also still put this inside your folio if you wanted to, because it doesn't cover up So you could just have the glitter sleeve in addition to the folio. So it's up to you, but I do like this because this protects the cover of the book from getting dirty, but it also adds that little bit of sort of silvery hollow bling to it. Okay, and the final item that we have in this month's box is this textured zipper pouch. And again, this is a sneak peek as well. And it's very, very thin. So it has just a plain white interior. It has kind of a crinkly look to it. It's definitely metallic looking with the rose gold zipper. It's got rose gold here with blue metallic, and then kind of a shimmery, not shimmery, but more of a, I guess, matte pink here. And it's just a zipper pouch. Now, my question will be, over time, how well will this hold up? Because it is a lot thinner than most of my zipper pouches, which can be good because then it's not so bulky and you can fit like 1,000 pins in here. You can also, since it's a zipper pouch, you can probably fit most of your summer stuff in here. So if you were gonna go out to a vacation or go to the lake, or you're going out to Barnes & Noble or somewhere, if you get a chance, you probably could fit all of this. I don't know why you would take the note cube, but all of that other stuff fits in here. So my big thing is, over time, how is this type of material going to hold up? So we'll have to keep you guys updated on it, but it is really beautiful. Like, this is something you could almost carry as like a pouch for going out, but definitely very cute. And it has a little bit of that same blue on the zipper pull. But yeah, it's nice that the petite planners fit in there because that makes it a little bit more useful for the future. So that is it, you guys. This is the fun summer surprise box. A lot of kind of on the go sort of things, not as many exclusives. So if you missed out on the box this time, you're gonna find a lot of this stuff on the website soon. So that's pretty exciting. In the future, I will try to keep you guys a little bit more informed about when the seasonal surprise box is coming, like for the fall, so that you will know when you can order it. And I'll keep you guys updated on when the order comes out. So make sure that you're following me also over on Facebook and my Instagram, because I'll probably announce it there first. But I hope you enjoyed this sneak peek of the seasonal surprise box. Let me know what you think of it, if you're glad that you got it, if you're enjoying it, what your favorite items are. I think for me, these scissors are probably going to be something that I will use for years and years to come. I'm really hopeful that when their adhesive tape goes up for sale, they also maybe have some correction tape, and that they're not too expensive and maybe come in a few other colors. I'm excited for the note cube because I don't have one on my desk currently, and it's going to look pretty, but I think that this summer's memories journal with the clear sleeve is probably what I'm most excited about. The sticker paper, I am not sure how much I'm going to use it. It would be great probably for like washi strips and things like that, but we'll see kind of over time how much I use it. But I do think the pouch is nice, especially since it will hold the petite planners and everything else. So that is it, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this. If you did, and you love seeing Erin Condren products and hauls, I do a lot of them here on my channel. I love to keep you guys updated on what's coming out for Erin Condren, but I also talk a lot here about how to be a writer, how to self-publish your books, and make money writing what you love. So I would love for you to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when new stuff comes out from me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.